Earth's life forms were a natural occurring phenomenon, and just as it began, it will one day cease to exist. What will we do from there? We have a capability to do things now more beneficial for Earth and off Earth. We need food and we need shelter off planet just as on Earth. We could use Earth's life organisms for material production. We have the potential to use chemistry beyond Earth. The idea that we could live on another planet is not taken lightly in the world of science. Revolutionizing our biological life is a new concept. To modify DNA to withstand extreme environments such as space or on Mars would take us to new levels, not just off planet Earth, but here on planet Earth. If we decide to forego life opportunities found off planet, we relinquish our ability to surpass, conquer, and survive as we are naturally born to do. While, even though Mars is a planet that once possibly carried seas and valleys, Mars' life is visibly extinguished, and we may make Mars worse from human interference on the pristine planet. Taking advantage of space science research, as well as studying our own earthly extreme environments, will lead to a breakthrough in the preservation of human life after Earth. The life found in the Dead Sea may point to past life on Mars that can open up new research to living organisms in an otherwise uninhabitable planet. This says life on Mars is plausible, and biological manipulation of Earth's bacterium, Bacillus subtilis spores, can generate new DNA and material production. Space News, a print and digital publication that covers business and political news in the space and satellite industry, presents an article with a poll showing more public support for NASA's science programs than human exploration, stating, polls have revealed varying levels of confidence in the capabilities of private space ventures, and much of the public admits to knowing little about commercial space efforts. The Planetary Society finds fun ways to get involved. Get active by volunteering, attending space events at your local area, or participating in contests. This helps spread the adventure of space with the next generation. By contacting www.planetary.org, you could be an advocate by allowing the organization to show you how to write Congress, as well as call your representative. During an international collaboration in 2010, Camille Thomas and his team drilled 430 meters below the seabed of the Dead Sea in order to better assess our climate's history. Several years of analyzing the samples, the team found archaea living in the environment without oxygen or sunlight. After discovering the organisms in such an hostile environment, Thomas says, and I quote, "It's an extreme environment and only for the extreme guys." Furthermore, in 2011, archaea found in wax esters, an energy-rich molecule produced by bacterium when food is scarce, by NASA's Opportunity rovers suggests life might be still present on Mars. Finding these archaea remains as a product of organisms thriving in desolate conditions opens opportunity for research, as quoted by Yuki Weber, a biochemist, to observe strategies microbial communities use to survive in different environments. Lynn J. Rothschild, an astrobiologist and synthetic biologist, was given a task to find a way to lessen the upmass costs of sending material to Mars to sustain life. She researched a bacterium called Bacillus subtilis, a fungal spore that has been tested and successfully thrived off Earth in extreme environments such as outer space. She has found uploading digital DNA for the spores to replicate could modify our own biological life here on Earth, such as trees, strawberries, and animals, to withstand environments possibly where they could not before. Life began through the birth of microorganisms evolving and adapting to Earth's environment in order to survive. With the possible archaea findings on Mars and the Bacillus subtilis spores, we could hope to create a sustainable life as it was started on Earth, a livable environment for humans. Quoting Rothschild, it cost $10,000 to send a single can into orbit. If we were to attempt to transport environmental resources such as sheep for clothing, trees for homes, or plants for food, it would be a voyage not realistic to price ranges. However, if we grew these spores in a vial and then shipped them to Mars and fed the fungi and allowed it to grow and even fill structures we could inflate and use as homes, we would save money and time in building this new society. Taking time to study the life in extreme environments on Earth that also have been found on Mars is exponential in space exploration and science research. Could there possibly be life on other planets, much different than our own, that holds a key to thriving on another planet void of our natural habitat's resources? If we don't take the opportunity in space exploration and dig deeper, we may never find that key to life off Earth. Our species' survival instinct is to survive, and we must look at every angle. Modifying biological DNA is not an unknown concept, says Rothschild. We have already imposed, for example, wolves to domesticated dogs, and the teosinte, which is a parent plant of corn, being revolutionized by human interference. And if ideas like this are already present just to accommodate our lifestyle, then why should changing plants and material to meet the needs of humans today be shunned or out of the question? We have a capability to do things now more beneficial for Earth and off Earth. In closing, we have 2 known microorganisms on Earth that thrive in extreme conditions, such as space, and one is a natural occurring organism found on Mars. Preserving life off Earth, regardless of possible failure, is a matter worth looking into. Through biological manipulation and research, we can better be prepared for our future of the human race and its outcome. Money is not necessary to make this happen, as NASA will remain funded. However, we the people of Earth can make a difference by informing ourselves of this phenomenon and evolution taking place. The Planetary Society makes learning about the future of our scientific advances fun and helps spread awareness to our predecessors, our future. If you feel this is something worth looking into, free of charge, just type into your search engine www.planetary.org and check on the events in your area. Making a difference starts with stepping into the unknown.